Today, take a bit of a break, use it as a day to prepare for the week ahead because no big news to be released. But on Tuesday, with the focus on the Aussie and the Kiwi dollar, we do have a bit of a business confidence number to be released for Australia. At this point, it looks like we might see a bit more of a business confidence. We might see a bit more optimism to be priced into the Aussie dollar. Following on from that, on Wednesday, we do have some numbers from New Zealand, but not big price movers at this point. My focus is, well, we have the euro and the pound dollar to focus on throughout the week, but the focus should shift to the news to be released on Thursday morning, GMT plus 8:0300 hours. We have the FOMC statement, rate decision, and projections and press conference. At this point, we don't think that they're going to do any changes to rates, but I think that there might be a change in tune towards what they're going to be talking about with their projections of rates. So I think that what will happen for this week is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, until Thursday morning, we're going to see that dollar weaken. And then on Thursday, ideally, we might hear a bit of a hawkish or a bit of a more positive note coming from the FOMC to bring that dollar strength back into play. With the New Zealand GDP numbers to be released on Thursday morning and also Aussie employment numbers. But I think that if we do see some change in sentiment or some positivity coming from the FOMC on Thursday morning, these two news might not have that big an impact in the scheme of things, right? Following on from that, we have a lot of other news to be released, and then on Friday we do have one New Zealand news to be released as well.